Hello, today we're talking about decluttering in the kitchen. That's the week we're in right now. If you're watching this as a current video, we're decluttering the kitchen. So to declutter your kitchen, which has so many nooks and crannies, we need to divide them by what they do. So let's say that you have serving dishes, serving pieces, silverware. That would be kind of one group. Then you've got places where you have things that you use rarely. That's another group. Then you've got cleaning supplies. That's another group. Then you've got cooking supplies like pots and pans and bakeware. That's another group. And then you've got maybe you've got cookbooks. That's another group. And then you've got a pantry. That's another group. And then you've got your refrigerator. That's another group. So there's these areas in your kitchen that you want to divide and conquer. So pick one, work on it for 4 times this week, 4 15-minute units, and you will start getting your kitchen decluttered. Make it a great day.